Hi there, welcome to eSpares. I'm Matt. In this video I'll be showing you what to do if your LG washing machine is displaying the HE error code. HE error code on an LG washing machine stands for heater error. Alongside this code you may notice that your washing machine isn't heating up correctly. To solve this problem you'll need to remove and replace the heating element inside your washing machine. Let's take a look. To replace the heating element, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of pliers or a 10mm socket set, and a flat head screwdriver. And of course you'll need a new heating element, which we'll include a link to in the description below. And remember, safety first, always make sure your appliance is switched off and unplugged from the mains before carrying out any work. So the first thing you need to do on the appliance to access the heater is to remove the back panel. To do that, I'm using a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 4 screws. With the back panel removed, here we can see the heating element. Next thing you need to do is to remove the 2 electrical connections either side, and then using your pair of pliers or your 10mm socket set, remove the nut from the center. Then you can pull off the earth tag that's in the middle. Now behind the first nut and the earth tag, you'll see a second nut that's holding the heater in place. So again, use your pliers or the 10mm socket to remove. Once it is removed, you should be able to simply pull the heating element out of its housing. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to help with this. If you're looking to purchase a new heating element for your washing machine, it's essential that you know your appliance's model number. This is to ensure that you're getting the right element for your particular machine. If you don't know your model number or where to find your model number, don't worry. Check out our video here. So with your new heating element, simply push it inside the housing as far as it will go. Like so. And then what you can do is reattach the nut using your pliers or your 10mm socket set, ensuring that the nut is on nice and firmly, which makes sure that the heating element is positioned correctly. Once you've made sure that the nut is tight and the heating element is firmly in position, you can refit the earth tag and the outer nut. Again, use your pliers or 10mm socket to ensure that it's in place firmly. Then you can refit these electrical connections before replacing the back of the washing machine. So there we have it, how to fix your LG washing machine if it's displaying the HE error code. Hopefully your machine is back up and running smoothly again and heating up again properly too. While you're here, don't forget to check out our video down here, which gives you information on all the other LG washing machine error codes. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all things relating to repair guides, appliance maintenance, advice, and much, much more. Thanks for watching.